Welcome to the ocean's secret neighborhood, where coral breathes, fish sing, and every creature plays its part. Beneath the surface of Earth's vast oceans lies a world that few have seen in full, a hidden universe of life, color, and constant movement. This underwater realm, stretching across more than 70% of our planet, is home to an extraordinary range of creatures, from the smallest specks of plankton to the largest animal ever known, the blue whale. The ocean is not just a body of water, it is a living, breathing system, where every creature, every current, and every coral plays a role in the balance of life on Earth. In the shallow waters near the coasts, sunlight penetrates the waves, creating a warm, glowing environment where coral reefs thrive. These reefs are more than just beautiful structures. They are complex ecosystems, supporting more than a quarter of all marine life. Coral polyps, tiny creatures no larger than a pinhead, build massive underwater cities of limestone over thousands of years. Within these reefs, brilliant fish dart between crevices. Angelfish, butterfly fish, and parrotfish shimmer in all colors of the rainbow. Clownfish nestle safely in the stinging arms of sea anemones, while shrimp and crabs patrol the reef floor, cleaning up debris and protecting their territory. Sea turtles glide effortlessly through these underwater gardens, their flippers moving slowly, but with purpose. They've roamed the oceans for over 100 million years, often returning to the same beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. Above them, seabirds dive at high speeds, piercing the surface to snatch up fish with incredible accuracy. This is the edge of two worlds, where ocean and air meet, and life moves between them with elegance. Venturing farther out, the ocean opens up into the vast blue expanse of the open sea. Here, the water is deeper, colder, and more unpredictable. Large marine mammals dominate this region. Dolphins travel in pods, communicating with clicks and whistles, showing intelligence that rivals some land animals. Orcas, also known as killer whales, patrol these waters in highly organized groups, working together to hunt seals, fish, and even whales much larger than themselves. The blue whale, gentle and massive, glides silently through these waters, consuming vast amounts of krill every day. Despite their size, they are peaceful giants, rarely seen, but vital to the ocean's rhythm. Below the surface, where light begins to fade, lies the twilight zone. This is a place of mystery and transformation. The creatures here have evolved in fascinating ways to survive the lack of light and extreme pressure. Lanternfish glow with natural bioluminescence, lighting up like stars in a midnight sky. Hatchetfish, with their reflective bodies, become nearly invisible to predators. This world is cold, silent, and filled with some of the strangest creatures ever discovered. Anglerfish lurk in the darkness, using glowing lures to attract prey. Giant isopods, looking like armored bugs from another world, scavenge the ocean floor. Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives here, adapted to total darkness, freezing temperatures, and pressure that would crush most surface creatures in an instant. Along the ocean floor, a surprising number of species go about their daily lives. Starfish crawl slowly across rocks. Sea cucumbers absorb nutrients from the sediment. Crabs, lobsters, and octopuses scurry between crevices and rock formations. The mimic octopus can change its shape, color, and movement to imitate other animals, an astonishing form of camouflage and survival. In some of the deepest parts of the sea, hydrothermal vents release hot, mineral-rich water, creating a unique ecosystem unlike any other on Earth. Around these vents, giant tube worms and blind shrimp gather, feeding on the bacteria that thrive in the chemical-rich plumes. In coastal shallows and estuaries, where rivers meet the sea, the water is murkier, but no less alive. Here, mangrove forests act as nurseries for young fish and crustaceans. Manatees graze on seagrass beds, while rays stir up the sand in search of hidden prey. The horseshoe crab, more ancient than the dinosaurs, still roams these muddy bottoms, playing a quiet but important role in the ecosystem. Every part of the ocean, from the icy polar seas to the warm tropical lagoons, holds its own unique life forms. In the Arctic, seals rest on floating ice, while polar bears stalk them from above. In the Antarctic, penguins march across the frozen shores, diving into the frigid waters with surprising speed and agility. Even in the harshest environments, life adapts, evolves, and continues. But this incredible underwater world faces growing threats. Plastic pollution clogs the water and harms marine animals that mistake debris for food. Oil spills poison ecosystems. Overfishing disrupts delicate food chains, and climate change warms the seas, causing coral bleaching and shifting the balance of life. Species that once thrived are now endangered, their habitats shrinking or disappearing altogether. Yet, hope remains. Across the globe, people are working to protect the oceans, creating marine sanctuaries, cleaning coastlines, and studying the deep to understand how to preserve it. From young students to seasoned scientists, the call to protect our oceans is growing louder. The ocean is not a separate world. It is part of ours. It provides food for billions, produces most of the oxygen we breathe, and regulates our planet's climate. It connects countries, supports communities. Coral matters. Because the ocean is more than water, it is the heartbeat of the Earth. On the ocean floor, crabs scuttle, starfish cling, and strange creatures gather around boiling vents, surviving in the most extreme conditions. From the smallest plankton to the largest blue whale, every sea animal plays a role in this vast, beautiful underwater world. The ocean is not just water, it is life, balance, and one of Earth's greatest wonders.